Hi everybody, and welcome to the 2020 NASA Student Launch Awards. This year I greatly miss seeing you all in person and being able to see your projects and efforts culminate on launch day. I know you've all put in a lot of hard work, and I trust you enjoyed the project and learned a lot along the way. I'm proud that Northrop Grumman has continued to be the premier corporate sponsor of student launch for 13 years now. And it's been my great privilege to participate in many rocket fairs and launch events. It's really an exciting time to partner with NASA as we look forward to the first launch of NASA's Space Launch System, the Heavy Lift rocket and the Orion spacecraft that'll happen next year. This first launch, Artemis 1, paves the way for Americans to have boots on the moon in 2024. In preparation for that first flight, Northrop Grumman is shipping our booster segments to Kennedy Space Center, where they'll be processed and stacked into the twin 5-segment boosters that will provide more than 75% of the initial thrust for the rocket's escape from Earth's gravity. The core stage of the rocket is at Stennis and is in preparation for green run testing that's critical to this first launch. The Orion spacecraft returned to Kennedy after completing environmental testing at Plumbrook Station back in March and is nearly ready to go into storage until the core stage is ready. Now, having participated in the NASA student launch, you're very familiar with what it takes to design, to manufacture, and to launch a rocket, and you know there are many steps and setbacks as you go. There's a lot of learning, making changes, and sometimes even going back to the drawing board. This competition has provided you with a lot of experiences that will serve you well, regardless of the career you plan to explore. I would encourage you to take the lessons that you've learned along the way and use them in your life as you go forward to do great things. Remember that whether your path is to be a rocket scientist, an astronaut, an engineer, or something completely unrelated, what matters most is that you enjoy what you're doing. Find the thing you enjoy the most, where your passion is, and work to become the best at it, and do that one thing with passion. The rest will follow. I congratulate you on completing your project for the NASA student launch. It's challenging enough in the best of times, and ever more so during the unique times we're living in now. Congratulations, good luck, and I wish you the very, very best in your future endeavors.
The Vehicle Design Award is given to the team with the most creative, innovative, and well-constructed overall vehicle design for their intended payload while still maximizing safety and efficiency. Here are our winners. Third place, University of North Carolina, Charlotte. Second place, the University of Florida, Gainesville, Florida. And in first place, Vanderbilt University of Nashville, Tennessee. Vanderbilt iterated their design to a precise and refined product, justifying their decisions with a wealth of analysis and testing, both computer-aided and simulation. The team provided accurate and thorough computer-aided design models which clearly showed how the different systems, subsystems, and components integrated together. This team used the fundamentals of rocket science to design and construct a vehicle that performed as designed in multiple performance-proof tests. Congratulations.